Okay students, this is the next video on complex number. If you have not watched the two previous videos, then watch the videos before proceeding to this video. Nth root of any complex number. Nth root of any complex number, suppose I say a complex number is given by z is equal to r cos theta plus I into r sin theta, or I take it as r into cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the value. Let us take, we have taken a complex number z in the form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. I want to find out nth root of any complex number. Our heading is nth root. So z to the power of 1 by n, square root 1 by 2, q root 1 by 3, fourth root 1 by 4, nth root to the power of 1 by n. Z raised to the power 1 by n is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta power n, 1 by n. Its value is r to the power of 1 by n into cos theta plus I sin theta power 1 upon n. But this cos theta plus I sin theta, I can write here as r to the power of 1 by n, like this cos theta plus I sin theta can be written as, you see, I can write cos theta as 2k pi plus theta and sin theta as 2k pi plus theta. Very simple. Cos of 2k pi plus theta plus I sin 2k pi plus theta to the power of 1 by n. So what is the value? Yes, your answer would be r to the power of 1 by n into cos 2k pi plus theta divided by n plus I into sin 2k pi plus theta divided by n. We got it. What is the value of k then? Yes, k will be taken as a 0, 1, 2, n minus 1. This is the nth root of the complex number r cos theta plus ir sin theta. Again, what we have done, z to the power 1 by n equal to this much, r to the power 1 by n, cos theta plus I sin theta to the power of 1 by n, that is cos of 2k pi plus theta, because of cos theta can be written as cos of 2k pi plus theta, sin theta can be written as sin of 2k pi plus theta to the power of 1 by n. Remember, there is a formula that cos theta plus I sin theta to the power of n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Nothing you have to do, only theta will be multiplied here. So cos of 2k pi plus theta plus I sin 2k pi plus theta to the power of 1 by n, here 1 by n would be multiplied here, so answer would be cos of 2k pi plus theta by n plus I sin 2k pi plus theta by n. This is the nth root of any complex number. Pause the video to note it down. Let us find cube root of 1 using this concept. Cube root of 1, cube root of 1. Is 1 a complex number? Answer is yes. 1 is a complex number. I can write 1 as cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 1, sin 0 0. 1 is equal to cos 0 plus I sin 0. Already I have said that cos theta can be written as cos of 2k pi plus theta and sin theta can be written as sin of 2k pi plus theta. So answer is cos of 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi. Our question is to find the cube root of unity. 1 to the power of 1 by 3. What is your answer? cos of 2k pi plus I sin 2k pi to the power of 1 by 3. Then मैं कुछ ही नहीं किया, बस मल्टीप्लाई कर लें 1 by 3 2k pi by 3 plus I sin 2k pi by 3. Multiply. What is the value of k? Yes, I have taken k is equal to 0, 1, 2, n minus 1. Here n is, we have to get q root, nth root. Here cube root. Nth root is cube root. So n is equal to 3. So I have to write up to n minus 1. It means up to 2. You see, since it is q root of complex number, we have to take 3 values. If it is 4th root, then you have to take 4 values. If it is 5th root, then you have to take 5 values starting from 0. Right? Cube root, that's why 0, 1, 2. So one value each, cos 2k pi 0 pi by 3, that is cos 0 plus I sin 0. Answer is 1. If we put k as 1, then another value would be cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. It is cos 120 minus half I sin 120, we know root 3 by 2. Then cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. I can write its value as minus a half sin 4 pi by 3 sin 240, it is minus I root 3 by 2. What I can write it also, cos of 4 pi by 3, I can write it also like this, I sin 4 pi by 3 can be written as cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 whole square, omega square. We know this value is omega. We have got this complex number. Previously, in the previous video, I have dictated that what is the value of omega and what is the value of omega square. So, was those videos so that it would be too clear. So, it is 1 omega and omega square, what we have already said. 1 omega and omega square are the cube root of unity, Here omega is minus half plus I root 3 by 2. What is omega square? Minus half minus I root 3 by 2. We can write here 1 plus omega square, its value is 1 minus a half plus I root 3 by 2 minus a half minus I root 3 by 2 plus I root 3 minus I root 3 by 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. ओमेगा तो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर में गॉड है, इसके ऊपर ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस होता है और जितना भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स होते हैं, ये कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में इसी को बेस करके ये 1 ओमेगा और ओमेगा स्क्वायर, जो ओमेगा स्क्वायर यानी क्यू रूट ऑफ 1 के ऊपर एक ही क्वेश्चन जरूर आएगा, जो भी एंट्रांस एग्जाम हो। ठीक है बच्चे, ठीक है बच्चों, अगर अभी तक आपने ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, जो नहीं किए हैं अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और आगे और बहुत पूरे के पूरे सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म में कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को समझा गया है। बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हम अभी सॉल्व करने वाले हैं आगे की वीडियो में। ओके, ये हो गया क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी। पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट इट डाउन। वी विल टेक अनदर एग्जांपल to find fifth root of 1 plus I root 3. I will write 1 plus I root 3 in form of r into cos theta plus I sin theta. I have discussed it in the previous video. So 1 plus I root 3 I can write 2 into half plus I root 3 by 2. How I got it? I have discussed in the previous video. You can watch that one to how to get in the Euler form. This is the form is called Euler form. You see, 2 into 1 by 2 is cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. You got it? Our question is to find out fifth root of 1 plus I root 3 to the power 1 by 5. We will get 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 5. This much only. It is 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 to the power of 1 by 5. Okay. So I can write this one as 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos theta is 2k pi plus theta. So it is 2k pi plus pi by 3, right, plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 3 whole to the power 1 by 5. Very simple here. Now it is 2 to the power 1 by 5 into cos of 2k pi plus pi by 3, 2k pi plus pi by 3 to the power 1 by 5. So it is cos 2k pi plus pi by 3 whole by 5 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 3 by 5. We keep it in the square bracket. We got it? What is the value of k now? Yes, I can write k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n minus 1. So we are getting fifth root. N is equal to 5 here. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you replace value of k is 0, then we will get one value. If you replace as 1, then we will get another value. Replace 2, you will get another value. Replace 3, you will get another value. Replace 4, you will get another value. So there are 5 values. The fifth root of 1 plus I root 3, it has 5 values. If we put the values of k as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will get the different 5 values. Okay? In this way, we can calculate the fifth root of 1 plus I root 3.